Hello, welcome to the seminar class. Um, Today I will check the comments that you guys uploaded last week about John Howi's presentation. So one of the students said that maybe it is better combine an example with a principle. Maybe it is okay if you can insert some example and if I have a very big data such as RNA-seq, how to upload it to NCBI with very fast speed. Nowadays, it's not that difficult to upload the data into NCBI because NCBI they actually provide you FTP server to upload things. So you can use any FTP software to upload your data. So I don't think you guys have big data RNA-seq because maybe you will have maybe several gigabyte or more than 10 gigabyte will be your RNA-seq data. So it is not so difficult to upload to NCBI. So the speed is depend on your network, and NCBI provide you very large, let's say the transmission speed. So I don't think it is very hard. So it is. If you have any question for this problem, please contact me. This is really easy. Okay, and cytoscape. Okay, cytoscape. Actually, I don't use cytoscape because cytoscape is not so, I say, fancy. I say it is easy to use, but it's not so fancy. So I use Network X, which is a module in a Python. So if you have protein-protein interaction data in a table, then you can upload the interaction table into Python using Network X. So I don't use Cytoscape because Cytoscape is, I say, not so fancy. So maybe if I have time, then I will show you how to use Network X to visualize the PPI network. Okay. So you guys, so please upload for the attendance that our assistants will check. So you can say anything. So you can say thank you, or I attended, or I feel good, or anything you can upload here as comment. But please upload questions. Okay, many questions. So like this. Okay, it is better to have an example with the principle. Okay, okay, and maybe you can ask another question like cytoscape on PPI data. And I will upload today's presentation of Choi Sung-un and Lee Ji-hyun. But the problem is the sound is very small. The voice is very, I say, weak. So I don't know if you can understand they're saying, but please use the earphone or or you cannot understand. I think the voice is so small. So okay, let's enjoy their talk.